Welcome to our YouTube channel, where wisdom meets inspiration. In this channel, we share valuable insights to help you become the best version of yourself. Our content is designed to uplift your spirit and enrich your life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with this incredible journey. Click the subscribe button below.
Decision making involves 4 steps. You see, decision making is crucial to your life. Today you are taking small decisions. Tomorrow you will have to take huge decisions. And what state of mind should be there for a decision to be right, good, beneficial to everyone, and through which you will fulfill yourself. For that you must know all of these options, all of these steps which I am giving you. The very first step towards decision making is you must know all your options, isn't it? Now suppose you have to make a simple decision tomorrow. Say what kind of a decision you may have to make. आपके assignment में कितना मुझे आज रात को पढ़ना है. There is a simple decision you have to take. First of all, you must know all your options, how much you can take in. Then you select an option. Okay? For that you have to know your mindset. आपकी capacity क्या है, आपके values क्या है, आपको कहाँ जाना है. Everybody's capacities are not the same. Everybody's value systems are not the same. So you find out your mindset. Third is you learn to differentiate between श्रेयस्कर and प्रेयस्कर. जिसको हम श्रेयस और प्रेयस कहते हैं ना. आपने सुना है शब्द श्रेयस? नहीं सुना है? श्रेयस का मतलब है जो आपके लिए अच्छा है वो श्रेयस्कर है. प्रेयस का मतलब है that which is just pleasurable is called प्रेयस. ये 2 अलग चीजें हैं. बहुत बार जो हमारे लिए अच्छा होता है that's just good for you, that may not give you any pleasure as such. Like for example, concentrating on your studies at this point of time because you have an assignment. That is what is श्रेयस्कर for you, isn't it? But प्रेयस्कर क्या होगा? अरे थोड़ा देख लेते हैं from the person beside me, or I will distract myself today so that maybe tomorrow I will remember better. So all these things you must completely leave out of your life. Always concentrating on ये एक बहुत important चीज है, श्रेयस और प्रेयस. Straight from the Upanishad it comes to us. Being able to differentiate between what is preferable and what is pleasurable. श्रेयस माने what is preferable. किसी भी एक situation में जो करणीय है, what should be done. And pleasurable is प्रेयस्कर. What simply entertains you, what appears to be very nice to you. ये दोनों अलग चीजें होती हैं. श्रेयश्च प्रेयश्च मनुष्यमेतत् तौ संपरीत्य विविनक्ति धीरः, कठोपनिषद says. Which means what? The wise person, he is able to survey the entire thing and differentiate between श्रेयस and प्रेयस. अगर आपको ये differentiation है, no, whatever is pleasurable, what entertains me for the moment, that only is good for me. If this is our attitude, then we have not learned the basic thing in life. This ability to discriminate, ये विवेक कहते हैं इसको, है ना? This must come into your life if you want to take successful, good decisions. Please see. अगर ये capacity ना हो, तो your decisions will not be right. All that glitters is not gold. कहते हैं ना? Everything that is appears to be very beautiful, very glamorous, that is not good for you. आप ही सोच के देखो, अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट में एक कप केक है और एक एप्पल है. आपके लिए अच्छा कौन सा है? केक या एप्पल? वो केक कह रहा है. इट इज द फ्रूट दैट इज बेटर फॉर यू, इजंट इट? तो यहाँ श्रेयस्कर हुआ एप्पल एंड नॉट द केक. प्रेयस्कर इज केक. So to be able to make this differentiation in any situation, what is actually good and what is pleasurable. You see, whatever is प्रेयस्कर pleasurable will be more attractive many times, but that doesn't mean it is good for you. अगर ये एक distinction आप कर लो ना, you will never get into drugs. You will never get into bad habits. You will never get into degrading ये substance abuse, all these things. Because you have learned to differentiate between श्रेयस and प्रेयस. जो immediately मुझे pleasure देता है वो मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. There is something called short term pleasure and something called long term satisfaction. In श्रेयस you are always aiming at long term satisfaction and fulfillment. In prayers you are only aiming at short term pleasure. isn't it? You are aiming at shortcuts. Shortcuts will cut short your life. So learn to differentiate this. Decision making में ये बहुत important होता है. आप किसी भी book को ले लो decision making, they will skip this point because it is so difficult. लेकिन हम skip करने वाले नहीं हैं. What you require will be told to you. Differentiation between Shreyas and Preyas. Just now think and see, it is a very valid point for decision making. And then third is exercise will by making it a fully conscious deliberate decision. इसका मतलब है आपका decision, it must be from your conscious mind, isn't it? Or should it be majority opinion of your friends? Tell me. Decision making में आपका opinion main होना चाहिए या आपके friends जो कहते हैं mean opinion of people around you. If you take decisions like this, you will fail in your objective. Please understand this. On the weekend, all your friends said they will go for a movie, but you stood apart. So decision making itself means a conscious, deliberate, willful, purposeful decision which you take on your own stand towards your own purposes. This is the third step, and then you have to remove the other options from your mind. See, once you have taken a decision, if you allow the other options to remain, what will your mind do, you know? It will keep swinging towards them. ये होता है ना? You will keep thinking, अरे ये करना था, क्या होता ये करने से? So don't do this. You must remove the other options from your mind. This is very important, so that your will remains riveted to one particular object, one particular goal. So this is the way a decision is made. आज आप सुन के रख लो. Try to apply it even to the small decisions of your life, and you will see this works. And if you skip any one step, you will be in trouble. The 4 steps are, you will know all your options. You must know the way to select an option, which means you will know your mindset, your value system. Accordingly, you will differentiate Shreyas and Preyas. Yes? And then the third step is you exercise your will by making it a completely conscious, deliberate decision. Fourth is you remove the other options from your mind. When we come to the theory of ethics, you will exactly know how you are able to differentiate between Shreyas and Preyas. You understand? How do you know the right and wrong of something? Why do we say that what is pleasurable, that alone is not, that cannot be right always? That is not right in your life. So why do we say all this? That you will gradually, with life's experience, you will know it, but here at least the theory of it you should know. Now next let us go to, yes, एक बात मुझे आपको यहाँ बोलनी थी. Decision making में, see in the Upanishads, no, there is a Chandogya Upanishad has this very beautiful mantra, Yadeva Vidyaya Karoti Shraddhaya Upanishada Tadeva Viryavattaram Bhavati. They are telling you about this, how to develop will and decision. Whatever you do, Vidyaya, with full knowledge, with full consciousness, with alertness, Shraddhaya, with Shraddha, with faith, and Upanishada, which means with the power of an enlightened awareness, with the power of this awareness, with meditation you can say, whatever decision you make, that leads to great strength, great fortitude within you. Viryavattaram bhavati. So develop a character by which you can do this. और श्रद्धा के साथ, विद्या के साथ, Upanishad के साथ, which means through meditation, by the power of meditation, by the power of a higher awareness, you are able to take your decisions. Not at the just flow, just passing through life, just taking any decision or majority opinion, taking that. Not in that, that's not a way, that's a way of leading an unconscious life. That's a way of taking yourself into paths which, you are not sure of. If you have to be able to take your decision, you must be awake, alive, alert, and committed to definite higher goals. Then you can just take decisions like that. You will know the right and wrong, it will become obvious to you in any situation.
Become Swami Vivekananda's messenger. Share the video with 3 of your friends.